So good morning everyone. Once again welcome back to online classes. So students, in previous class we discussed about whole numbers and I hope all of you understood about whole number, what is whole number and their properties, everything. So today we are going to solve the exercise 2.8, 2.1. So I hope all of you completed the homeworks which I given in previous classes. If you do it properly, then the exercise is going to be very easy. If you don't the videos till now, then first you watch these videos, then come to this video, then you can do the exercise properly. So let's start the class. So exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. So students, go to question number 1 in page number 31. Write the next three natural number after 10,999. Write the next three natural number. Next means you go ahead, means plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. You should write the next three natural number. For example, I give one example. If there is 9, next natural number is 10. Then next 11, next 12. So these are called next three natural numbers. Like this, how can you find 10? You add 1 here. Then you add 1 here with 10. Then you again add 1 with 11. Then you can find 3 natural numbers. So same way you can do question number 1. Write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. Then you add 1, 1, 1. Then you can find all three natural numbers. So I can't solve here because if you solve by yourself, then it will be good. If you don't solve, you are not unable to solve this question, then I can. Then go to question number 2. Write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. So just before. Before means same example if I take 9. Before number is 8. Then before number is 7, then 6. So these three are called just before of 9. So how can you find this before? You subtract 1 from 9, then you find 8. Then you subtract 1 from 8, then you find 7. Then you subtract 1 from 7, then you can find 6. So these are the basic things you already know. So you can solve by yourself. To find next number you add 1, to find before number you subtract 1. So now question number 3. Which is the smallest whole number? All of you know, then you can solve by yourself. So the question number 4. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? So 32 to 53. How many whole numbers are there? You can write and count. This is very poor method. How can you find? You can 53 minus 32. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. Then you minus 1. Then 20 numbers, because these 53 and 32 you should exclude, because here this question is how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53, not including 32 and 53. So that's why first I subtract, then I get 21. Then why again I want subtract? If I subtract 53 to 32, then only from these two numbers only one number subtract. Then I again one number subtract for to subtract these two numbers. Otherwise, if you don't understand this method, you can directly write 30 to 53, then count how many numbers is there. But if there is given more number, then how can you do? The method is you subtract first, then you again subtract 1. Understood? So now question number 5. Write the successor of given numbers. So here is some numbers is given, you can write successor. It's very easy. Then question number 5. Write the predecessor of these numbers. Here some numbers is given, you can write the predecessor. So all of you know this. Then move to next question, that is question number 7. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other numbers on the number line. Also write them with the appropriate sign. So question number 7 we can solve one, then you can understood. I can take small examples. Here is given 530 and 503. So read the question properly. In each of the following pairs, so these are the pairs given in a book. Like this, other pairs also given. So in each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole numbers is on the left of the other number. So you compare between these two whole numbers. Then you find which whole number is left of the other. And also write them with the appropriate sign, with greater than or smaller than, and which one is greater than and which one is smaller than. So how can you do this? State which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. So when you draw one number line, so it's always in increasing order, means first 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, not 3, 2, 1 like this. It is always in increasing order. So I put these two numbers in a number line. So how can I put? Draw one number line. If I start from 500, then 501, then 502, then 503, then 504, then 505, like this you go. Then you get 529, then 530, 530. Like this you get, because it is in increasing order. So where is 503? Where is 530? So now tell me which one is on left. If I stand like this, 530 के left में 503 है. So 503 is left of 530. So here another thing you can mark: smallest number always in left and greatest number always in right. Now compare between 503 and 529. 529 is greater, so 503 is on left. If you compare between 500 and 503, between 500 and 503, 503 is greater, so 500 is left of the 503. You get idea? Which one is greater, that one is right side, and which one is smaller, that always in left side. Why? Compare between 500 and 503. 500 is left and 503 is right of 500. Same thing, 503 and 530. 503 is less numbers, that's why it is in left, and 503 is right. So what can you write? You can write, first you draw this number lines like this, then you write 503 is on the left of 530. Then between this, which one is greater? Then put appropriate symbol 530. To greater side, this space will be there. To smaller side, this arrow mark. So this is the answer of question number 7 and 8. Like this you can solve B, C, D, everything. So now move to question number 8. This is very basic things which you already read in first period of whole number. So question number 8. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? So this is very easy. So you read the sentence properly and think it, then you decide it is true or false. So start. 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number, but 0 is a whole number, so this is false. Then 400 is the predecessor of 399. What is the predecessor of 399? 399 minus 1, that is 399. So 400 is the successor of 399. So this is also false. 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, 0 is the smallest whole number, so this is true. So like this you can solve all these questions. So exercise 2.1 is finished today. I hope all of you understood, and your homework is you completed the whole exercise, and if you don't understand anywhere, then you can ask me. So in next class we discuss a new things. So you must complete this exercise. So students, till now if you don't subscribe the channel, fast subscribe and tap on bell icon and share, comments and like.